It's the best time of the day. It's time for Top That Trade, featuring Fox Business Network contributor Phil Flynn and options trading pro Alan Nuckman. Ready, set, let's go at the bell. Mattress money. Investor cash is at the highest level in 15 years. Why are Americans sleeping on it?
Well, that's interesting because when that money comes in the market, where are we going to go?
Lower.
It could fuel another burst higher.
No, I'm serious. You know, when everybody who's missed out on the biggest stock market run in recent memory and their money's on the sideline, when they start to come in, that's probably when the top is.
Exactly.
It is a contrarian idea. Absolutely.
I want to look at mattress stocks.
Okay,
they're putting their money in their mattresses.
Yes.
MFRM is been down 30% in the last year,
right,
and 50% in the last 52 weeks. So this stock's been trading between 30 and 35. Mattress firm. Looking for this breakout to 40, so it's a good-looking stock. I was also looking at Temper TPX, and that's got some upside as well. These stocks have fallen out of bed, and they are some opportunity.
And that's right, big mattress. Actually, there's an article on Bloomberg about fighting big mattress companies. There's a lot of upstart companies. In fact, I happen to know one, Jasmine, and they're making organic beds, but they're trying to fight. The mattress business is absolutely huge.
The mattress man is holding you
down.
down.
And they're building. There you go. So put your money in your mattress. There you go.
Round number 2, 20K day. Our Dow doldrums done. What is your year-end target? 20,000 Dow, anyone?
Ta-da! You know, the charts look like it could happen. It really does. But I'm telling you, I think there's still a lot of risk in the economy. I don't think a run to 20,000 is actually a good thing. I think if we get there, the bigger correction that I fear. But you can't fight the tape. I mean, right now the tape has been very strong. We did see some weakness this week in the market, a little bit of trepidation after record high after record high. But when I start comparing,
there were 9 record highs in the Dow in a row.
Yeah, the last time we had that was right before 1987. Nothing went wrong there.
Right,
nothing
it's not
to
going
see
to go
here.
straight up. We both agree that
it's not going to go straight up.
19,200 is the first target. We traded in a 1,000-point range for 4 months, so that's the first target.
Right.
And that's also the magic 10% for 2016. So that's my target.
So it's not going to get to 20,000, you say?
Not this year.
Not this year?
I think it's going to get close. But like you said, you can't fight the tape. And the Dow still has 8 stocks that are red on the year. So those stocks haven't participated. You can look at Nike, Goldman Sachs, Disney, American Express, Boeing. There are a lot of big names that have a lot of catch-up to do. But what I'm waiting for is a pullback. And we haven't seen one. We haven't seen one at all. The Dow is up 20% off its February lows.
That's pretty incredible. And, considering that we've had the worst start to a stock market to begin this year.
Are we going back to January? Are we going back to January?
Oh, we always do the history he wants. He doesn't want the history, does he? He doesn't want the truth.
We ignore the fact we're up 7% on the year.
I think we do, but the answer is part of the question why people aren't putting their money back into the market. They had a very scary beginning to the year. It's easy for you to sit there and say, sit and hold, everything's going to be okay.
But
we've got people with their 401ks in the market that are very concerned about the stock market.
Tomorrow. They don't need it next week.
Maybe they don't, but I'm telling you, but
20 years from now.
Some of them do, but some of them are near retirement.
Like you.
Like you.
Round number 3, can you dig it? Is the $3 billion buyout of heavy equipment maker Joy Global a sign that the commodities crush is over? Pick a metal or mining commodity or stock that could surge.
I actually think it's a sign that the commodity index is just in the process of bottoming out.
Right.
I mean, that's what you see at the bottom of the cycle. When there's blood on the streets, other companies come in and buy out these mining stocks. We see it consistently at the bottom of the cycle.
Instead of stop digging, in this example, it's start digging.
There you go.
You got to
see. Well, that's basic. Well, not necessarily. I mean, you got to see contraction in the industry. What we're seeing low prices. Low prices cure low prices, and the big companies swoop out the ones that have trouble.
CRB fell from 300 in 2014 to now it was down below 150. It has bottomed out. The commodity I like is copper. Copper's been trading between $2 and $2.30. That target's $2.60 on the upside. FCX is what I'm looking at. I think FCX can get to $18, so that's about a 40% move. Looking at copper to play ball.
Copper looks short-term like it had some headwinds here. It had a real opportunity. It has performed better than expected.
You're going to say China, aren't you?
No, I'm not going to say China. If you want me to say China, I'll say China. China. Okay, but now that I've said China, no, the real thing I was saying is that this is a market that I think has already had a run. Let's look at a market that's been beat up. Let's look at a market.
Give me one.
Natural gas, for example. We had a nice run from the bottom. Nice nice when we have backed off a little bit.
There was
and
money made
winter,
in the spring to the beginning of the summer, and now it's
exactly.
backed off since
and
that
that's
time.
why we were looking for another run later on. So that might be the sleeper, especially if we get a cold winter. You know,
are you ready for the bonus round question, guys? How much money has GOP presidential candidate Donald Trump spent on his general election?
That's
how
a
much
very
has
good
he
question.
spent, or how much
does that
does he say he
include?
spent?
Does that include hair products?
Are these audited?
Does this include? Does this include jet fuel? Because jet fuel, I know it's been
Apparently this is a loaded question.
Oh no, it's not a loaded question. I'm going to say he has spent right now $4.5 million.
He's going to say 0. I know that's what his thing is. He's going to say he spent nothing, and he's gotten free media attention like we get.
Is that your answer?
0.
The answer is 0. Well done. Yes, other people have contributed and given like $4.9 million. So you were kind of right, Phil, but the kind of right. Not right enough.
Whoa, very good. I appreciate that. Very good.
We're kind of out of time for this segment. Business First AM continues right after this break.